Huh?
I think maybe it's in somewhere else.
Sa back? Saan punta?
Here we come! Marble Rush!
That box.
Hmm?
That box.
No, it's not that heavy. Not that heavy.
Iniwanan.
3-point launch set, Papa.
Mm-hmm.
It's not basketball set. 3-point
Apa?
launch set.
3 point. Brand new. Do you know how to set it up? Brand new.
Oh,
Yan yung basketball court.
yeah.
Let me see. Nice.
The blues. Damn.
Oh, another one. We need this. Huh? Oh, look at this. Basketball marble.
Can we set it up?
Of course.
Now?
Yes, we can. Do you know how?
I don't know. I need manual.
Okay po.
I always need manual.
Oh, stickers. Let me see.
I want to open the marble first.
Okay.
I want to open marble first.
Okay. Nice. This.
I want to have the fairy tale set.
Okay. You want the fairy tale? Pang girl yun. Huh?
Look, hindi pala no?
Nice. Pangharang. Look. Look at this. It's like a cover. Huh? You know how? Huh? Yung paling. Look.
This is the set.
That's the board. Nung basketball.
Look, rotating.
Oh, wow.
It's rotating.
That's brand new, huh?
So that means like this. Look,
Apa?
look. You can put it here.
Oh, okay.
Look.
Oh, okay.
Can you imagine you should this is a big basketball?
Opo, that's too small.
Wait!
That's the board for this one. Put it here. Huh?
What?
Dun sa board. Dun sa other side. There. Let's put sticker first.
Sticker? Oh, this is a big one.
Good job. I like it. Let me see. Ganda.
Ah!
What's this for? The fire.
That one.
Oh, the other side of this. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh.
You want sticker?
Ba't sa middle?
Hmm?
Yung middle, wala.
No.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Nothing in the middle?
Pag middle, tie break.
No,
But the
color
tie-
white. Color white, anak ko.
Hmm?
Color white.
Huh?
I don't know. Wala nang white. No more stickers. Okay. I guess that's it.
Maybe this is blue team, red team.
Okay.
This one will be tiebreaker.
Alright.
But I'm gonna say this will be tiebreaker.
Okay po.
Okay.
Now
So it will be like
let's assemble it.
it will be like
Okay.
look. Remember this. Pretend this is the middle. Look.
Okay.
Look.
There.
See? Look.
So pag hindi na shoot, pupunta dun sa middle. Pag di na shoot, no? It will go back dun sa sa catapult.
I'll be blue team.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna be red.
Blue team.
Okay. Wait for me.
Get the ball.
Hit the ball. I-rotate mo.
Oh.
Oh, 1 point.
Okay. So I'm gonna move it to the blue.
Okay. Lord was.
What are the zero out of 1?
Okay.
0 out of 1.
2, 3. Cheating. Okay.
That means 20 points.